Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Monday, March 31st, 2025. It's the start of the week, but the end of the month. March has been very good to us. We've taken a payout on 5 accounts this month, and we just look to finish off the month on a good note. Again, not talking about wins and losses, 100% focused on the process, and we're going to make sure we take the best trades, wait for the best setups, and execute to the best of our abilities. Like I always say, guys, today's a new day filled with new opportunities. Let's make sure we capitalize on these opportunities. Not bringing in what happened last week, talking about the losses, the wins, the payouts, none of that. It doesn't matter today. We're going to make sure we execute to the best of our abilities. So let's take a look at the chart, see what we got going on here, and any trades we could take. All right, guys, so here we are on the charts. And again, kind of looks like another free-falling day. The sell-off continues from last week. As you guys see here, this is, again, hourly on ES, hourly on NQ, the right side. As you guys see, price dropped down on Friday, consolidated over the Sunday night and overnight, and then again right now it's another leg lower. So on both ES and NQ, so it's a little bit of tough price action. There's no pivots or levels to the left right here. If I zoom out to the daily, ES has some for March. If I zoom out to the daily on NQ, you guys see that this pivot for March that the ES is showing has already been taken on NQ, and there's nothing out here until September from 2024. So we're going to have to be pretty patient here, but again, we do the same exact process, mark out the session low, session high, market open up here, and the 50% retracement, you can't really see it here, but it's right here on the 5 minute. And again, same thing with NQ or ES, session low, again, price just keeps going lower, so it keeps moving my 50% retracement here, 50% retracement, session high all the way up here. Maybe ES wants to come down, tap into this pivot here at 508. It's about 30 points away. That would be my closest target because NQ has nothing up until 550. So NQ is going to have to drop 400 points, which is not out of the ordinary. It's not crazy. I won't say it won't happen, but price has already dropped 500 points. So if we have a 1,000 point drop on the NASDAQ today, it would be crazy, but I wouldn't put it past it. So got to be super patient here. No need to jump into anything, force anything crazy. I trade reversal, so if price just wants to keep going down and doesn't give me a setup for a reversal, there's no point for me to try to force something, right? Just let price continue to fall off, and I'll get a setup eventually. So we'll be here, super patient, we'll be disciplined, and we'll execute once the trade presents itself. All right, guys. I'm going to take that short there. I'll go ahead and explain this one here in a bit. Let me just adjust my stop loss and take profits. Okay, guys, so here we are just playing ES rejection of the 50% retracement. As you guys see, price sold off here early in the morning and came back, tapped into this orange line, which is my 50% retracement on the ES. NQ has yet to tap into the 50% retracement, but we took it based on the ES, right? ES and NQ are closely correlated, and if one price or one asset is moving, then we expect the other one to move closely related with it. So as you guys see, price was there was a couple fair value gaps on the way up. There's a 2 minute here. Price respected this one. There was another 1 minute here. Price respected this one. And here on the 2 minute, this is the first one that got invalidated and rejected. So this is the reason why I jumped in on this trade. And this is the reason why we're in it right now. So again, don't control anything that happens during the trade. Out of my hands. Nothing I could do here. Just got to execute to the best of my abilities and let it either hit +2R all or nothing, or let it come back, stop me out for a full loser. So we'll go ahead. We'll see. We'll stay patient, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. Okay, guys, here we are back on the charts. As you guys saw there, entry was here, 13.5, I think, and price went in my favor. Took a little bit of drawdown, not much, a couple ticks there. Price went in my favor pretty quickly and came down here, missed my full take profit by about 2 points, 1.5 points. But I did end up taking a manual exit here somewhere around 57.5, I believe. So right here. And thankfully I did because price rejected there and would have taken me out for a full -1R. I had enough profit in the day here, and I was thinking, okay, if it gives one more leg down, then I'll make sure to take it. And I don't want to be greedy, and sometimes you break your rules, but this is something I've been doing as of lately when price is close to my target. Sometimes I just take it out. And there we are, took, I think it was like 1.93R, so it was still pretty close, and it gave me my full +$400, so I'm okay with that, and we'll take the trade. Something I did want to update you guys on is I put $600 into a personal account, and I've been trading that since last week, like Thursday, I believe. So we did take a little bit heat on Friday, made it back up today. So we are in the green here, started with $600. Kind of want to show you guys this for accountability purposes. Taking the same exact setups as I do on the other accounts. This is my lead account as a trade copier now. So I'm taking these, the trades on this, risking $100. The other ones are risking $200. So it's double the reward, double the risk. And we'll see if we could grow this along with all the funded accounts we have. I took the money from the previous payout and funded this account. So I didn't just randomly deposit money into it. I'm making sure I'm taking the winnings and trying to grow that and continue this here. So here we are with the Apex accounts, as you guys see here, plus 2R on the day. Accounts are growing, they're looking decent and slow and steady, right? Here we can see today's performance: 1 trade, 1 winner, 0 losers. Here's the execution, 11 minutes in the trade, worked out pretty well. I'll show you guys my funded futures. Here you guys go. These accounts are still in a little bit of drawdown because Friday's trade was a pretty big loser, minus 2R, but we made most of it back today, plus 2R. This is an eval I had. Not interested in it, just trading it the same way I do the rest of the accounts, just see if we could pass it. I accidentally bought 1 extra eval, and it's kind of just been sitting here, and we're just trading it along, see what we can. If it goes to funded, great. If not, great. We're making sure we focus on the funded accounts we already have. Here, the Tradeify, 5 accounts, $450, pretty good. Something I want to show you guys is the recap of the month. Again, like I mentioned, it was a pretty good month. I think we took about 3,700 in payouts. 3 of those accounts unfortunately did get blown, or was it 4? 4 of the accounts did get blown, but it wasn't because I traded poorly or I had some mishaps or I revenge traded or got angry or any of that. It was because I took too much money from those accounts and the drawdown was too tight and I ended up blowing the accounts. So it was unfortunate, but we're learning our lesson as we go. And here you guys can see the recap of the month. Pretty solid month, and finished it off with a bang today. Something else, I'll show you guys the same thing here. This month, you guys see the numbers matching all that. Pretty decent equity curve, slowly growing, grinding slow and steady. Number of trades, not 34, I took less than that. But here you guys see the average winners, average losers, all that. All the trades down here. Staying consistent with M&Q, couple contracts, nothing too crazy, right? We're building these accounts slow and steady over time. We're not trying to oversize, over leverage, do anything crazy like that. And it continues to grow, so. There you guys have it. That's the end of March. Very good month. Grew all our accounts back. You guys saw the videos from February. The videos from February was just a bunch of big red losers, big red days, large losers, max losses, back to back, all that. Wasn't able to control my emotions very well. And you guys could tell from what happened with those accounts. Unfortunately, all those got blown. And here we are. We've rebuilt in the month of March, and we're back at it. We're growing these accounts, took a payout, and we're going to continue to do the same thing, right? 19 funded accounts, 1 personal account that we're trading. Hopefully we could continue it, and hopefully March or April becomes an even better month now that we're fully funded and ready to go, ready to attack the month, and we'll see how it plays out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you made it through the video, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below what you guys think about the videos, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.